ब्लॉग चालू है भाई. This is Mohit.
This is Mohit.
And
Coming first time Agra.
yes, first time coming. And this is Nissan. This is Ankush Pathak. And this is me, Himanshu. And we are coming first time. Look at this man.
ऐसा ना ऐसा.
Here,
What a beautiful place to visit.
here is a tomb of Mumtaz Devi. And
Mumtaz Mahal was died here.
Mumtaz Mahal. Look at this man.
How sweet he is.
View.
Yeah, why not? What view?
Not photo.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
Looking good?
Looking good.
Thank you.
Come on.
Chan, come.
And this is Nissan Prajapati. His girlfriend name is Nasra Fatima. Look. From Jhansi. And
Now your turn.
And this is me.
This is me.
This is Himanshu.
Himanshu Kushwaha.
Girlfriend Himanshu.
Girlfriend name Meeti Singh.
Muskan Patel living in Jhansi.
Muskan Patel. Wow.
Why are you tweeting the mobile? And now we will move forward.
आई.
फोटो खिंचवाई.
फोटो तो गूगल में मिल जाएगी.
फोटो पे बोल हो जाएगी भाई. देखना तू.
अपने मोबाइल से खिंचवाई.
Now we are moving forward close to Taj Mahal. And our video might lag because mobile is heating too much due to this heavy sunrise. Look, you want to say something about Taj Mahal? How beautiful it is. It is black. Look, he is saying it is black. What's your comment? Nissan is saying it's black.
No, it's white. And it's a very beautiful view to visit. And looking very good.
प्लेस होती है विजिट करने.
What's your view about this? You are coming first time. You are first timer.
No, it's my third time.
No, you are totally lying.
No, we are right.
Look, this is our first time, but
Yeah.
he's saying
He's coming at that time.
but it's
But he's
his
lying.
first time.
He's lying.
He's a total liar. We don't have to believe him. Look. You want to comment anything about
No, I don't want to do.
like love of Shah Jahan?
Yeah, wow, what a love, what a beautiful.
But one theory says that he killed all the workmen who made it. He cut their hand.
And it's good.
Why it's good?
Very right. He wanted to not.
बोलना
He wanted to not make like this anything ever. That's why he cut it. I think it's good.
And these guys are making snaps. And what's about your view about Shah Jahan? About his love?
Sorry.
He made for her.
He made for her.
Whole
What a
Taj Mahal.
What a
It's
true love he is.
look.
He has.
It's the 7 wonders. It comes in the 7 world.
Wow.
Look, one of the 7 wonders in India.
Stop the.
In Agra.
I want to click a photo here.
Okay. Wait. Look, this man.
Yes.
He want to click photo. Look his color. We got scammed because of Mohit Kausal. Because he said from 50 rupees we can go upside but not inside. So we believe him, but only in 50 rupees we can room in the campus only, not in the upside. Because of only one man. And we not wasted. It is worth a little bit, but
Yeah.
we want to see
upside.
Mumtaz tomb.
Yes.
That's our only motto. But we will try our full next time to go inside and see Mumtaz tomb. But because of this man, see,
That's me.
look at this. Because of him. But he want to capture photo only and look at his bag. Look at his Asus bag. Look, this set man.
See this guy. One number. Because
Now.
of overeating,
This
Mohal
is
is
a
lagging
now-
so
We
much.
have taken about 100 photos
Yes. Yeah.
and
And
now we
delete
are
our-
going back side of the Taj Mahal
Because we think that's not enough.
because we booked only 50 rupees ticket
Oh, that's
and we
why.
are not allowed to go upside because of this.
Because I have lack of money, so I have decided to
Why did
take
you-
participation.
But
50
listen to
rupees.
for
me.
money.
He have 3 houses.
No, no,
one
that-
for parking.
How he is?
One-
Three pensions.
One for parking, one guest house.
And monkey here. Monkey, guys.
What a view.
Look, this man.
see the
And
view.
look the Yamuna river.
Yeah, I want to go up.
यहाँ फोटो खींचने मेरा जल्दी
What a view was coming from the upstairs. Wow, what a beautiful mansion.
We will be there upside, but
Pure to live story.
because of lack of 1 gram 200 rupees only.
Yeah.
We are here, not
Because of this man. I'm
see his
regretting.
face properly.
I'm regretting.
His
Hi, this is Himanshu, my friend. We are here. This is my first vlog. I'm first time talking in English.
I'm continuing the vlog.
I'm continuing the vlog. This is the back side. Here you can see the Taj Mahal. What a beautiful view. This is the back side of the Taj Mahal. This is the river Yamuna. You can see. There are many men going. Okay, we will continue ahead. My team is missing. I am finding my friends. Okay, we got Himanshu. Himanshu, what are we?
We got one smuggler, Mohit, and we can't find him. And Nissan is also not here. We are searching for them. Look
Yeah,
at them.
we are finding.
They are ready for the photos.
Yeah,
Just want to click the
but
photo.
they too are trying to click some photos. Already he want.
Then he is saying it's his third time.
He is
And
coming that
we-
time, but we don't
It's
have.
his first time
Yeah.
only.
He is the man. Because of this man, we cannot go up and take a beautiful view of the Taj Mahal. Because of only this man.
Thank you.
Because he didn't have a knowledge about Taj Mahal.
Yes, yes.
As you
Lack
can
of
see,
knowledge.
lack of knowledge. He also have lack of money. That's why he didn't purchase ticket.
Three houses. Three houses. Three
He have
houses.
3 houses.
10 we got hit.
10 million. He's very rich, but he didn't. So
Humble है.
humble guy. What humble guy? This is the.
We are down to earth.
पता नहीं कौन सी side है, but you can see. This is back side. Okay, what we have I don't know, but this is you can see. This is my new friend. I meet this man. Yeah. This is my man who got IPO because of my money. Now we will do party with the LG IPO. Yeah, but I didn't. Sorry, my English very weak.
Okay, we are pausing for us.
No. We're not pausing. The vlog is continuously running for 24 hours.
Give him the mobile. He will
Yes.
control the vlog.
Yeah, you can now control the vlog.
हेलो
Yeah,
दोस्तों
Nishan.
ये
Wow,
दो
wow.
बड़े बहन चो
Say something. Tell about Taj Mahal, bro.
Yes.
Yes.
मोहित
This is the
ये
true
दो
love story.
दो बार
True love.
ताजमहल
Forget speaking English.
आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश ब्रो
Why?
Showing the
You are
love.
an engineer student.
How a man can
For a dead woman.
much love.
For a dead
For a
woman,
girl.
he made this one of the 7 wonders of the world.
या आई नो
This is the true love.
Situated in Mathura.
No, not take him seriously. This is just funny. Joking means.
Beard has grown now. And this is holy Yamuna. And these are monkeys. Look. See.
Monkey is playing.
They are having fun.
They have
But
more.
we don't have
They have
fun
more required for
because
ticket.
Free ticket.
They are free for everywhere.
Look at the birds. The view.
They are free for everywhere.
Zindagi.
Yes.
What
I
should
will start from here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Readiness.
Tell me something
Yeah.
about yourself.
I want to say about Yamuna.
Oh.
He is not clean. Some people are
Okay.
wasting.
कैमरा कैसे जारी कर?
Yeah. Now the video started. What do you want to say?
Yes. Nishan,
Nishan,
are you trying to speaking something?
where is Himanshu?
You can.
Also sitting?
Why not?
Behind.
There is the guy whose name is Nishan Prajapati.
And what about his girlfriend?
Nakhra.
आई एम नॉट माय गर्लफ्रेंड
Okay. Then tell me about Muskan.
हुज मुस्कान
You know very well.
आंख से मानसू
Nanshu, tell me about Muskan.
So there was one girl. We were playing random BGMI. He had a Wrangle map. And there was one girl named Snow. So there was a close relationship between Nishant and Snow. She has given her ID. And Nishant has given me her ID. And Abhishek. So as they were talking, they were even like sharing reels continuously. But I don't know. Then once she blocked all of us and she said to me that he was disturbing her very much. So she
You
blocked
are
her.
telling lie, Mansu. Why you telling lie?
I have message proof. I have
What is-
Instagram proof.
You are also talking to
Tell
Mansu.
everything in front of camera.
She was your girlfriend. She was telling me.
People are watching you.
Yes.
Yes.
This is live.
I have streaming all.
Yeah.
Yes. And what about Nasra?
Who is Nasra?
The school girl you love.
London.
Look at the pose. Repeat the pose again. Look. Look, he's looking like Saja.
What a beauty.
Looking like Saja. Look.
He's my sword.
Saja fourth. Saja fourth.
What's Saga for?
See, this is masjid. See?
It's a mosque.
Oh, sorry.
Mosquitoes are here.
Yes, you are.
Look. This man. Mosquitoes what? Religious man.
Yeah.
What he is saying? Mosquitoes. No respect.
No respect. Yeah, no, you don't have a right to say anything about any religion.
Yes.
Here.
Salam alaikum.
Yes. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
Jai Shri Ram.
Salam alaikum.
Jai Shri Ram.
Alhamdulillah.
Walaikum assalam.
Now it is fixed, I think. Yes. Now
Yeah.
it is fixed.
This is six.
And what is this? This is mosque. In Hindi it is called masjid. No, in Urdu it is called masjid.
Yeah.
In Hindi it is called mandir. Okay. Yes. This is the true. What I believe.
Sorry, my bad.
Look, I don't know why Nishant is running from the blog.
Why?
Why are you running?
When I once said about he sent this blog to his sister.
Yes.
After that, he is showing.
I think here fear of camera.
And
like-
look.
I
We are disturbing the photos of all 50.
of your family.
I will not send, bro. You abuse. I will upload this whole. This will be the first vlog in my channel. And upload my full vlog. No beep. No any edits. The raw vlog. Because I don't know any editing. I will put all the clips together and just upload. Look, this man. Looking for the girls. Searching for her Mumtaz.
Yeah, I am finding my Mumtaz.
But
We am trying for.
we are all
3
finding
years.
for a Mumtaz.
Yeah,
From
but we don't have.
I'm like
First year.
I'm 21 years old
Oh, yeah,
and
same.
I was 10.
Oh, no.
When I know the culture about like there is a relationship between a girl and a boy. Till then, 11 years, I'm looking for my Mumtaz, but can't find.
I
I'm searching for my Mumtaz.
Yes.
From
You are finding for your Mumtaz.
Yes.
Yes. Where is the Mumtaz Mahal?
How do you see your Mumtaz?
What are you saying? What's the question? I
Like
didn't get.
how? Like
What?
I will not say her name because she can see her.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
So how do you look for her?
How do you look for?
In Taj Mahal.
Sorry,
In Taj Mahal.
I didn't get your question.
I am also not getting what I'm saying, but
Can you say it in Hindi?
no,
Why not?
only English vlog.
I know that, but I didn't get your question. Then I asked.
So can you
How can I
elaborate-
answer?
Can you elaborate your question?
Yeah, why not? Please.
Like
Because according to
How-
What do you want to know?
how you see your Mumtaz?
How?
How you see?
according,
you see?
according to condition, the condition is
Condition is
condition is condition.
By my eyes.
like how will she look like? I'm saying this.
She is not. She is
Like I
beauty.
cannot describe her in my words.
She is beauty.
She's
Then copy the thought of Baba Raja.
no, don't copy.
Look, Babar Azam.
Yeah.
Babar Azam.
Who is that?
Anything.
Yeah,
He is Shahjahan fourth.
Yeah, you don't know about this.
He is nice.
He is the ruler of this Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
Not a ruler. Means leader.
leader.
Leader not. Owner. He's a
No,
owner.
owner. No owner.
Yeah.
Owner is Sarkar.
No.
Yeah, you don't know.
You are descendant of Shahjahan.
Yeah. Okay.
So who will be the owner?
Now I am
Yeah.
the owner.
But
The
you are
governor-
Hindu. Shahjahan was Muslim. So
No.
Descendant,
I changed my
Yes.
culture.
There was a very look at the gap. Shahjahan.
why this tika is there?
I didn't saying that I am
Yes.
the just
Yes.
my elders are belonging to that.
They changed from Muslim to Hindu. Yes. Sikh, Isai, Christian. हम सब हैं भाई भाई. We have seen something new in Taj Mahal.
This is for drinking water.
लोग गरीब अपनी हरकत से हो गए.
Yeah, you are right. This is entry first time. What a type of system we have.
It's useless, I
drinking water.
think. It's useless.
It's useless.
Yes. What's the use of this?
You are right. How can
We can
someone
drink water from there. Like, how will you drink? So, some Mohit, how will you drink water from here?
Can you repeat the process?
It's like a flush.
Yes, what?
It's like a toilet flush.
No,
Yes.
not like that.
Like speed and
depend on your mindset.
it's mindset, you know. 250 rupees I don't have.
Yes, lack of money. I have lack of money.
3 houses.
If you have,
3 mansions.
if you have,
3 mansions.
then put a ticket on me.
3 mansions. 1 for parking.
Don't tell, right?
One for guest house.
Again and again. Can you speak in Indian in front of camera?
Everyone should
Can you
know.
speak in Indian in front of camera?
Everyone should know how rich you are. Like Andhavat rich.
Blind.
Blind.
Yeah.
Andha paisa.
Have you ever reached my home?
Yes. Reached. Yes, I have visited her home, his home, 3 times in one day.
Without money.
And I have met her Nani. She was very nice, but this man.
Wow.
Now.
You can go there.
means hunting or running. Sahi Juloos ka chitra, royal processor.
What is written here? I don't know. But we will translate it.
Where are the images of here?
Let's take a photo here.
Menu script.
Okay.
वक्त के मुताबिक भी बदलते गए हैं और यहाँ गुरुद्वारों में यहाँ पर
Nishan, what are you saying about girl
He was saying if there was one girl,
with us?
he will be happy. Very
This
happy.
journey become very good with her. Now I can say
There
he's
is one funnel.
he's
We will
right.
Talk.
What?
There is one funnel. Can you talk to her?
No.
Why?
Because I am very weak in English.
Build some confidence.
What a view.
Look at. Build some confidence to talk.
I want to do that, but
White is not white.
yeah, what a
They were saying that Taj Mahal was whole white, but there were different marbles. Not like there was not shining white, and we have listened that Taj Mahal was whole white, like shining. But there is some like different color of stone.
wait.
We study in general knowledge.
Yeah. In social science classes, there were these diagrams like Humpy and what is this? Bhagwan Narsingh.
This is the man who wasted our day today, and he's sitting like he did nothing. Yeah, he is talking about Shah.
I have said there.
But look at him, how cute he is, and look at his beard.
Wow. what a
Yeah.
Beard.
Shant is very angry, but he didn't doing nothing, and I also angry. But he having this man having a lack of money. That's why we are hungry.
What?
Nishant, I have a question. If you met a girl before 20 days, do you propose her? What's your opinion?
It depends on the girl behavior.
Yeah.
If she likes you, you can identify by expressions.
Okay.
Her behavior is much better than Uncle.
They were like in a talking stage in first semester, second semester. And luckily they were in the same section in the third semester.
This is fate, bro.
Like
Until he is not.
one of my friends, I will not say, you can Google it. That he talked, he messaged her from his mobile that he loves her.
But he denied.
But
He denied.
when then girl asked Ankush that what are these messages? So he said these are just jokes.
They are just mistakes.
These are just jokes. He was that, and he just.
Hello. You hear story. This is my side. This is my first time where my friend proposed a girl. Sorry. Thank you. Yes, what are you saying?
We have to share all the photos in WhatsApp and documents,
Okay.
and we will check if the videos are we will suggest not take it in Telegram. Then we will send the videos in Telegram.
Now listen my side. What exactly happened with me when my friend did message? As I said, my friend do message a girl
What's your side?
that I like, but
Let him speak.
Vanshu, what are you saying? Do you have anything to say?
So I am
Because our visit is complete.
now we are fully exhausted.
Yeah.
And Nishant is very hungry.
I am also.
So now we are editing the Taj Mahal.
This is our.
And we might also end the vlog
Yeah.
because
No, the vlog is not to be ended. But where I will eat something, I will make vlog there.
Then we will end their vlog there.
Yeah.
Like that's really, this is like ending of 1 or 2 minutes of the vlog.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching
the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Mohit, our visit is completed. Do you want to say something
About what?
about the Taj Mahal? You are coming first time in the Taj Mahal.
Oh.
Do you have any words to say after visiting the Taj Mahal?
Actually, I'm trying to say that is my third attempt.
Okay, third attempt. Okay, I understand. Okay, let me bring Nishant in the vlog. Nishant, come. Say something about your visit. How is it?
It is over now. I am hungry, so I am going to get some food.
Yeah, I am also hungry. I want to know about what experience did you get from the visiting the Taj Mahal? What do you think?
Nothing. I have not gained any experience from this. I am just here enjoying things.
Here you can see the man have no feelings about love because he didn't understand the love.
he didn't get the love.
They get the love, yes. I explained what I get. This is the true definition of love. How a man can love a girl without limits, just like me. No, chal. It's
Quality to our viewers. If you are making it down, that close the vlog.
yeah, you are
Think
right.
about it.
But it's my first vlog. I'm trying to.
So we are also not editor. We will edit the first time only. We can't cut the. We will like put the whole videos one again and upload.
Okay, I understand. It's my first vlog. That's why I'm feeling some shy. This is the exit. Yeah,
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal, that way. No, that way, man. Go. Here's the exit. He having some confusion. I am solving that. Okay, this is the exit. He take my key that I purchased at 50 rupees.
Pause the vlog.
Yeah. Now our visit is completed totally.
Now
and
we are
leaving the
now
Taj
we are
Mahal.
going to Agra Fort.
Now we are going to Agra. First we will eat something. Then we will go to Agra Fort, and our vlog is continue now.
Yes.
Yay!
Join
the journey with us
Join our
to Red Fort.
Yes.
Keep watching.
Keep watching our vlog.
I am first time visiting any metro station. These are my pens. Wait, let me cross the security. Then we will start our vlog. Cross this security, buy this ticket.
Yes, guys. Now we are in the Agra metro station for the first time. I have visited the Delhi metro station, but first time in Agra.
This is my first time I am visiting any metro station. I have never visited metro station.
Metro station is so cool.
So cool, looking nice.
No crowd.
No crowd.
And the same
Time.
rate as auto.
Yeah,
Only
and
10
full
rupees.
comfortable
Yes.
feelings.
Full AC service. And there is toilet also. We will use that.
Yeah.
There is female toilet. Where is the boys?
Is going to enter
We
platform
lost the path where we have to go.
Passengers waiting on the platform
Now our
are requested
guide
to allow
Mohit
passengers from the train to
taking
arrive
to metro.
first. Please do not
Now we reached the metro station. Here we got the train.
train to Taj East Gate.
Hey, vlogger.
As you can see, we don't have too many seats to sit.
We don't know which train we have to sit. This side, either this side.
But that man in the black t-shirt visited. We entered in the metro station. My first time. I Let me ask my friend.
It's a cool metro. It's a nice metro. I will give a 10 out of 10 on this metro. A lot of better than the Delhi metro because there is so much crowded there. Like this is an empty spot place.
These are our two friends. He is taking some photos. It's too short.
These trains should be like railways also. The main railways. Yes, and we are reaching our destination finally.
We reached the destination very easily and fast. This is the best use of metro stations. This is our location. We have to reach.
Dr. Ambedkar Chowk Metro Station.
Oh, sorry.
Doors will open on
ना बदल जाएगा तू यार.
We reached the destination now. There is slowly. Oh man, we reached our destination. Come this side. He's saying he has something to. So
Please stand clear of the doors.
we are going. He was not using metro here properly because he didn't have knowledge about the metro. He is using autos and cab rides. We are searching for male toilets for many times, but now we get it because Himanshu is. My energy is totally down, so I cannot continue in the vlog. Himanshu will take the.
Yes, we are at the new location, and this is the Agra Fort, and we will be exploring whole Agra Fort, and there is a whole trends like there we have, and we are very tired. We have to walk like that, and but Nishant is very energetic. Look, I don't know what motivating him. So how are you so motivated
I am not that motivated.
to see new things? Where do you get this much confidence? Tell.
I am tired.
I think today is for too much.
Yes, now he is tired. His ghee is already khatam. Now he
Because of doing master.
no, his ghee is khatam. But he has
Here at my home.
no, the internal ghee inside your
inside your
body. It is over.
Yes. You don't understand what I'm trying to say.
I vlog mein aaye.
He means your stamina.
Ghee is everything in your life.
Yes.
You are khatam or ghee is khatam. Now the slang ghee is khatam is more famous.
If the ghee is present in your body, then you are alive.
Yes. If ghee
Otherwise,
is,
you are alive.
if ghee is khatam, you are
Alive.
dead.